In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Zoom meeting notes. By the end, you'll have Zoom set up to capture and summarize your meetings automatically, so you can stay engaged in the conversation instead of typing frantically. First, head to zoom.com and sign into your account through the web portal. This is important because the settings we're looking for live on the web, not just inside the desktop app. Once you're signed in, look for the settings area in the left-hand menu. If you don't see settings right away, click on the admin or personal section, depending on your account type, and then choose settings from there. Give the page a moment to load. Zoom organizes a lot of options here, and we'll be using them to make the magic happen. Next, find the AI Companion section and turn it on. AI Companion is Zoom's built-in assistant, and enabling it unlocks features that help with productivity, like generating meeting summaries. You should see a main toggle to enable AI Companion for your account. Make sure that switch is on. If the option appears grayed out, it may be locked by an account admin or restricted by your plan. In that case, you'll want to check with your admin or confirm your plan supports AI features. Once it's enabled, you're ready for the final piece. Now, within the AI Companion settings, locate Meeting Summary and switch it on. This is